Here we have a 2017 17-plate Mercedes-Benz C250D AMG Line Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 18-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now you do have the LED headlights as well as the black Panoramic style front grille. Now on this vehicle you do get the night pack styling, so you get the black front splitter with the black wing mirrors, black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear, and as you can see just up there we have the panoramic sunroof with the black roof bars. Now we do get front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual black tip exhaust, flush in the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. I do also get a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key, which reveals a nice spacious sized boot with the luggage load liner just there. Open that up, you can see we do have a nice spacious sized boot. Now you do also have the net that can be foot pushed up there as well. Now it's also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if you go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior of this car. Now as you can see we do have full leather throughout with ISOFIX points just down there, pull down armrest with 2 nice sized cup holders, and you also have storage just in there as well. We have your storage behind the driver passenger and the driver's seat, and you also have your vents just in the centre there too. Now on the doors you do get your premium Burmester sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible. Black ashwood trim with your ambient lighting underneath and your electric windows. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat, which just like the passenger is fully electrically adjustable and is also heated thanks to the control panel just on the door. Now on the front you do get your electric windows with your electric power folding mirrors, premium integrated Burmester sound system, heated seats, MEM function just there and the electric function, black ashwood trim, again ambient lighting just underneath. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights and your keyless start. Foot on the brake, push the button and then the vehicle will then start. Now I do have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. And as you can see this vehicle has done just over 56,690 miles and is free from any wall lights on the dashboard. Now looking just down here, we have your electric steering wheel adjustments, and you also have cruise control and speed limiter just there as well. Now coming to the centre screen where you can see the satellite navigation, you do also have your DAB radio, media connectivity just there, so you do have your Bluetooth audio and also media interface 1 and 2, now they are USB ports. Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Then if you go into the car settings you'll find your ambient lighting settings where you do have 3 colours to choose from. So if you go in vehicle settings, scroll over to ambient lighting colour, click on that and you do have 3 options, so you do have polar, neutral and also solar. I like to keep it on polar. Now going back off that, now you do get different drive modes, so you do get eco, comfort, sport, sports plus and also individual. I'll put that back into comfort, pop it into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with visual display of front and rear parking sensors just on the bottom right hand corner. Now coming down here you do have your dual zone climate control. Now it works exactly how you'd expect it to. Control it from just down here and is displayed at the bottom of the screen just there. Black ashwood trim all in the centre console, very nice addition to have. Pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, storage and also 12-volt connectivity just there. Now this is what you use to control everything that happens on these screens. You've got your drive mode, select parking sensor, stop start on and off. You also have your volume, you can turn the screen on and off there as well. Soft touch leather armrest, touch your button, opens up, you have storage just in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat with the extended fire support, which is controlled just over here, and to show that the heated seats work exactly how you'd expect them to. As you can see that was the passenger and then the driver, exactly how you'd expect it to. Panoramic sunroof, currently open, touch your button just there, it'll then close. And as you can see, it works exactly how you'd expect it to. When that closes fully, the blind will go back, just like so. Now to close the blind fully, simply just press that button just there, and then the blind will then close front and back. As you can see just there, back close, and then the front closed. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do have competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz C250D AMG Line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not on fight with steering wheel to keep it straight line, to go straight and true, not veering over to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift in the rear, which is set down to manual mode. And you also have the cruise control and speed limiter stock just underneath there as well. would if you test drive this vehicle today. Now to activate the cruise control on the cruise control store, simply just press down and go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by 1. Push up material fill, bit of a click, and it'll just hit nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply push away or tap the brake and then the cruise control will then cancel. Now do you have power shift? If we stick the car into manual mode is there as well. Now we also have the gear select on the right hand side of the steering wheel there as well to save any mess and clutter there, so it's a very slick and smooth design. Now we do have the big ProNav screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. We also have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have a rear reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. We also have DAB radio and lots of other functions there as well. We have the premium integrated Burmester sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible, next to the heated electric and memory controls for your driver and passenger seat. Now the seats are very comfortable and they're full leather. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 4 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out if you didn't want to knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during the test drive video, if there hasn't been any, it's always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, and just ensure that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop on a count of 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video test drive. I'll hear from you soon. Cheers.